how to enable one-handed mode on Android easy reach feature. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that, our first time we will simply go to settings in our phone. Once we go to settings, here you guys will see a lot of options. For adding one hand feature, you guys will simply click on that search bar option. Once we click here you guys simply search for one hand. So I'll simply search for one hand. If it didn't come, you guys will simply search for hand. So once we search for hand, you guys can see one-handed mode, stylus handwriting, and other things. So for adding one-hand mode, I'll simply click on one-handed mode. Once we click here, you guys can see assistive bar, gesture motion, and other things. Also, you guys can see on fourth one-handed mode. Simply click here. Once we click here, you guys can see one-handed mode. So simply turn on it, and once turn on it, that's it. Our one-handed mode will be added to our Android phone. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.